How to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. Hi. So for that, you can open up Snapchat application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. Once here, tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner. And here scroll down a bit and there is a Snap Map. So you can use this Snap Map feature that shows where your friends are located, and from there you can add your friends nearby. Here tap on Snap Map. And once you have access to Snap Map, make sure that you have turned on your location. If not, go to your device settings and then turn on your location. After that, tap on the settings in the top right, and here make sure to disable this ghost mode. If you have enabled it, your friends will not be able to see your location. So make sure it is turned off. Now get back to your Snap Map. And here what you can do is simply scroll, or you can zoom out your location, and just nearby your location you can tap on any random location. So tap on random nearby location near you. After that, you will find your friends nearby. Tap on their profile, and once you get here, now you can simply tap on add button to add this friend to Snapchat. And that's how you can find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.